Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. GBPUSD analysis, right? So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have rejected the resistance, as you can see. So it has been rejected multiple times, okay? Or you can see this high is never broken. So rejection here, and now we are making new lows in weekly time frame. It's a big deal, okay? It's a very sexy chart right now, which you see in weekly. Okay, if you can get weekly right, then your life is so easy. Okay, so much easy. So this is your new downtrend pullback, new low. Okay, now in weekly we are going to close below the EM. It's a massive deal. So on Friday, the week is ending on Friday. Okay, 31st of October. So if this weekly candle closes as it is, meaning that if the red candle in weekly closes below the EMI, that is the confirmation of long-term downtrend coming now for GBPUSD. And if you see here, be ready to take your profits in weekly even until here. Okay, so in weekly, the first support is here around 2600, and last support is right here. Okay, so in weekly, set up yourself for downward movement now in GBPUSD, same as for EURUSD. But in coming back to daily chart, we are exhausted. Price is exhausted, giving us slight bounce back. Okay, so you will be a fool, I will be a moron if I enter short right now. Coming back to 4 hour, we are exhausted. Downtrend is exhausted. Wait for the pullback until the EMA. That's how you trade. Okay, so it's freaking free money. Okay, I'm giving free money to you. Let the pullback happen until maybe 61% rejection will come from the EMA. Okay, so wait for the pullback. Price will touch the EMA, reject it. Red candle will form, engulfing red candle, and then you go short. That's you. That's GBPUSD for you. Okay, free money. Okay, wait, watch, execute. Subscribe, like, share, join free Telegram, join brokers, and get the software if you want. I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.